myself INCHANA VAMAN. I am from first year Electronics and Communication Engineering startup company name CWES Production, product present name face powder, product proposal name skin modifier powder. Mentioning the sum of the requirement feelings about products as said by the customer during the advertising activity. It should be water resistant and long lasting. Itching should be avoided and powder from face should be removed easily. Based on the empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new pieces are added to a existing product. Existing product name face powder, Fusionist product name skin modifier powder. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned are hydrating properties, oil control, color correcting, skin smoothing technology. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the vendor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.